Everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Remember, there's only 3 ways to legally describe property. Those 3 ways are meets and bounds, the U.S. government survey system, and lot and block. Addresses are not a legal description. So essentially how this works is anytime a piece of real estate is sold, on the deed you'll have a legal description. And a lot of people incorrectly think that addresses constitute legal descriptions when they actually don't. In fact, most of California doesn't actually have an address. If you drive from LA to Vegas, there's thousands of acres of undeveloped rural land. Someone owns that land, but there's no address to that. So addresses are not a legal description because A, most of California doesn't have addresses, it's still undeveloped, and B, addresses can sometimes be duplicative. There might be on a big street like PCH, you might have a 1601 PCH in Hermosa Beach, 1601 PCH in La Jolla, 1601 PCH in Carmel. So because addresses can be ambiguous, there's only 3 ways to legally describe property: meets and bounds, U.S. government survey system, and the lot and block method.